Hello students, this is your SSC lesson. As you know that we are reading Unit 2 Peshawar, and in this regard we have done reading of page number 8, 9 successfully. Today we will read page number 10 and page number 11. So we start our lesson. You are supposed to open your book and read and understand more about Peshawar. Students, you know very well that Peshawar is the capital city of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. It is one of the oldest living cities in the world. It is an important trade center between Afghanistan, Central Asia and the Middle East. Peshawar is close to the Safed Ko mountain range of Pakistan. It is 48 kilometers, 30 miles from the Khyber Pass. So, we will read about the people of Peshawar. More than 3 million people live in Peshawar. So, what is the population of this city? There are 3 million people in Peshawar. Refugees from Afghanistan have come to Peshawar, where they now live and work. Who are refugees? Refugee is a person who has been forced to leave the country, leave his or her country in order to escape war or natural disaster. And Afghanistan is also a neighboring country of Pakistan. So the people who are moving from there also come to Peshawar, where they now live and work. So they are living here and earning livelihood. They are doing jobs. They are doing various jobs there. They are doing different works. People of Peshawar speak Pashto, Hindu, Urdu and also English. So, people of Peshawar speak 4 famous languages like Hindko, Urdu and also English. Climate. What is climate? The weather conditions prevailing in an area in general or over a long period. The weather conditions prevailing in an area in general or over a long period. So what is the climate condition of Peshawar? Peshawar has very hot summers and cold winters. The winter months are from November to March. So, from the month of November to March, there is winter season. The summer months are from May to September. So, the summer season is from May to September. Peshawar does not have a monsoon season. You know, here in Punjab, we have monsoon season in the month of July. But in Peshawar, there is no monsoon season. But there is rainfall in winter and summer. Most of the rain falls between February and April. So, the months of rainfalls are February and April. What are the facts about Peshawar? Peshawar is one of the oldest cities in the world. As I have told you in the beginning of the lesson, it is more than 2000 years old. In olden times, it was known as Firoshpura, the land of flowers. Now come to page number 11. Here is the title, Things to See and Do. Here are some of the things you can see in Peshawar. As Peshawar is the oldest cities in the world, so there are many places we can see there. And among those places, some are written here. Number 1, Islamia College. Students, Islamia College, Peshawar is a public university located in Peshawar, Pakistan. Islamia College was founded in October 1913 by Nawab Sir Sahibzada Abdul Qayyum Khan. Nawab Sir Sahibzada Abdul Qayyum Khan. So, this college was built in 1913 and became a university in 2008. Next is Mahabad Khan Mosque. Students, it was constructed by the governor of Peshawar, Mahabad Khan, from 1660 till 1670. A Mughal era mosque. So this is a Mughal era mosque. This beautiful mosque was built in the 1670s. It has an open courtyard, an unroofed area that is completely or partially enclosed by walls or buildings. So it has an open courtyard and a row of rooms around the sides. The inside of the prayer hall is decorated with colorful patterns. So it is a beautiful mosque and well decorated with colorful patterns. Another worth seeing place is Peshawar Museum. This museum was built in 1907. It has one of Pakistan's best collections of Gandhara art. Gandhara art is a unique style of Buddhist sculpture called Gandhara art. And Gandhara art developed in ancient times in the Gandhara region of the Indian subcontinent in what is now northwestern Pakistan. There are wooden carvings. Wooden carving is the process of cutting into the surface of wood to create a decorative shape or pattern. So there are wooden carvings and a gallery displaying Islamic objects. Gallery displaying? Students, if you display something that you want people to see you, put in a particular place so that people can see it easily. So here is gallery displaying Islamic objects. What have I learned about Peshawar? Here are some key facts. 1. Peshawar is the capital of the province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. 2. It is a very old city. 3. It is a fast growing city. 4. It is famous for its bazaars and markets. 5. It is an important city for trade with other places. 6. It is near the famous Khyber Pass. So students, this is your lesson for today. You have to read page 10 and 11. Thank you for listening. Take care. Allah Hafiz.